Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. The holidays is a great reason to indulge. There are cookies, pies, candies, and more, including cakes like this scrumptious one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my chocolate beet cake. Velvety, moist, and so tasty, this dessert is perfect for any occasion. So let's start. Here are my beets that I roasted in the oven, and the only thing I put on was oil. That's it. Obviously, no salt or pepper. Beside roasting, there are other cooking methods, so click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. So what we'll do is to puree the vegetable in the food processor, making sure to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl so there are no beet chunks. It has to be perfectly pureed. When this is done, we should have around a cup of it. If it's slightly under or over, like mine, it's okay. Next, in a large bowl, we'll add flour, a good quality cocoa powder, then baking powder, followed by baking soda and ground sea salt. We'll whisk until well combined and set aside. Now, in the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add unsalted butter and granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment, we'll cream the ingredients on medium speed until fluffy and pale in color, about 5 minutes. To this, we'll add the eggs, one at a time, and beat well between each addition. Then comes the beet puree and the pure vanilla extract. Still on medium speed, we'll process until nicely blended, stopping a couple times to clean the sides and especially the bottom of the bowl. Things always stick down there. Next, we'll add half of the dry ingredients and about half of the buttermilk. This time, we'll process on low speed until just incorporated before adding the remaining dry ingredients and the remaining buttermilk. Plus, we'll also add the grapeseed oil. We'll process again until just blended. Let's not overmix, all right? And of course, cleaning the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Now that is done, we'll pour the batter into a 9-inch round pan that has been lined with a greased parchment paper round and then floured, so the cake releases easier. If you don't know how to make parchment rounds for cakes, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. We'll level it out using a spatula and gently tap the pan on the counter to dislodge any trapped air bubbles. We'll then transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 55 to 65 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll allow the cake to cool in the pan sitting on a wire rack for 20 minutes. Later on, we'll invert the cake. It comes out so nicely. Discard the parchment paper round and let it cool completely on the wire rack. While it's cooling, we'll make the ganache. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, we'll add heavy cream and a little bit of corn syrup. I have a homemade recipe, so check it out by clicking on the link. We'll give a quick stir and warm up the mixture. Just before it starts simmering, we'll remove from the heat and pour the heavy cream mixture over the chocolate that has been shaved. We'll let the mixture stand for 1 minute before stirring until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is shiny and smooth. We'll let it cool slightly, about 5 to 8 minutes, before pouring it over the cake that is now at room temperature. Using an angled spatula, We'll spread it out and then transfer to the fridge for an hour so the ganache sets up before decorating it. And my friends, this is our chocolate beet cake. Moist and decadent, this is a tasty cake to add to your folder. Beets and chocolate might sound like an odd combination, but the delicious results will definitely surprise you. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!